Hey, Teddy. At least it looks like Teddy.
But through the same high school.
Is that Garrett or a Garrett impersonator? How are you doing?
It's me. I know. I shaved.
Yeah.
I shaved yesterday.
You know what? You look like you dropped weight.
I did. I lost 60 pounds. Man.
Dang, that's impressive.
Yeah.
Intentional or?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
I got up to
Congratulations.
230 and then
Really?
I just dropped back down to normal of like 170, 180.
Wow.
I found out that I was gluten intolerant and had to change my entire diet, and then I started just being a little bit more physical because I was just.
Hey, Teddy. Welcome back, Teddy. What's Teddy been up to this whole time? You've been gone for like 3-4 months?
Track.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Lewis was asking about you, what was it, like 2 days ago?
Oh, really?
Yeah, he brought you up.
Today? I was hoping
I don't know. But yeah, I'll have to tell him that I saw you.
Yeah.
What time did you get here today?
20 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago?
Yeah.
By the way, how are you doing, Ben?
I'm good.
I'm doing all right. Nice to see you, Teddy. He looks good.
Yeah, he's gained a little bit of weight.
Oh, okay. Still,
But
his coat looks amazing.
Yeah, he's still going on walks.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Just walk away, Tip Bear.
Clean up after Bodie.
Come on. There you go. You just gotta walk away.
Oh my gosh, again with the music. So I published a video today that got demonetized because of that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, copyright claim.
You have to like mute it, I guess, on the like. Just say this is background music, YouTube. I can't control this.
Gosh.
It's a public space.
Yeah, it said in the, I guess somebody wrote and they said in the description, it said, Sister Sledges, we are family. Maybe that's the one that got demonetized. But yeah, they were blasting it really loud yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? Whatever it was. But anyhow, similar to what they're doing right now. So I don't know if you guys can hear that at home, but that is Neil Diamond's Sweet Caroline. So way too loud. Great song, but way too loud.
Yeah, found out I had celiac a year ago.
All right, let's see what Bodie's up to. And this is Panda right here, a sheepadoodle, poodle and sheepdog. Hey, I forget, how old is Panda? 1? Okay. Hey, Teddy, how old is he now?
He'll be 3 the end of July.
Okay, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. That music is so loud. By the way, guys, it is Wednesday, June 14th. I believe that's the date. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you can, please press the like button. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get a copyright claim on this or not. Bodie, come! Bodie! Bodie, come on! Good boy, Bodie. Good boy. Good boy, Bodie. Bodie! I hope he's not going over there to the hole. No, no holes! No! No, no holes. Hey, you don't bark at the treat guy. How are you doing, Tony?
Alright.
I'm doing okay. What's the latest on your motorcycle? It's already June. I thought it was supposed to be finished in June. Is it close?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting on the paint job. It hasn't been good. The days haven't been good.
Oh, okay. You know this guy?
Huh?
You know
Harley.
this little puppy?
Harley.
Harley? Okay. Golden Retriever, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
That one.
Looks like it's about maybe 5-6 months old.
Harley, how old is Harley?
He's 3.5 months.
Oh, 3.5 months?
That one's 3 months too.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at this Shar-Pei. Wow, look at that. Oh, my gosh.
What kind of
Is
dog
it-
is that?
That's a Shar-Pei.
Oh, okay. I was always wondering.
Man. That one has some crazy wrinkles on
Oh,
Yeah.
let's look at more when they get bigger.
it. Wow. Hey, you see over there's the mini teddy.
Yeah, I know. I saw right when I walked in, I was saying hi to him.
Yeah. But that's not a puppy, that's just the miniature size, right?
It's 7 months.
Oh, 7 months?
Still a puppy, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Her
Because
name's,
the Australian Shepherds come in different sizes, right?
yeah, they have
Yeah.
minis, regulars, and then he's abnormal, extra large.
Extra large?
He's
Okay.
20 pounds
King
over
size.
standard,
Oh, really?
a couple inches longer, and a
Okay.
few inches taller.
Okay, I'm trying to remember because it's been a long time. Did you get them from the Midwest or something like
Yeah, we got him from Ohio.
that? Ohio, okay. Wow.
His parents are farm dogs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Somebody new coming in. Yeah, I don't know who that is.
They let the shepherd in.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's a puppy.
Timber, you want water?
Well, if nobody shows up that you know besides myself, they're not going to believe me when I tell them that you were here.
You have
Yeah.
video evidence.
Oh, yeah, true. I forgot about that. But you know what? I'm not showing the face, so they're going to be like, that may not have been him. That guy's too small. It's not him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds kind of like him, but I don't think that's him.
Dome
Okay.
Resource Guard.
That's my water. That's my natural spring water that you're trying to mess with.
You want some?
Down from the Sierras.
You want some water, Popeyes? You want some?
Oh, yeah?
Cindy will believe you because I wear sandals here.
Okay.
I got my sandals on. She'll
Okay,
believe
there's
you.
the proof.
Yeah.
He's
show
wearing
it.
sandals.
I got
Not-
a few bug bites though.
Not a Garrett impersonator.
No.
Yeah.
I just school ended Thursday,
Oh, okay.
and my brother and I left Friday, and we just got back. What's today? Wednesday. Yeah, we got back yesterday.
That's a nice watch. Very
Check
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
We backpack across Catalina.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It's 38 miles.
Yeah.
We did 4 days.
You are very thin.
Mhm.
I'm about to feel fat over here. Oh my gosh.
Got down to 170.
Yeah. Did your family get worried or what?
My dad was like freaking out. He was like, "Are you okay?"
Yeah.
And I'm like, "Dude, I'm fine. Like, this
Yeah.
is how I've been my whole life, except the
Yeah.
past 3 years where I started gaining all that weight because I was
Okay.
freaking like basically dying." The doctor was like, "If you kept up the eating gluten.
Yeah.
It was causing so many health issues that my
Oh,
organs started to
shoot.
shut down, and the doctor was like, within a year you can develop stomach cancer because it just got so bad. Like the past, so I've been on the diet for a year, just not eating gluten or fast food or soda or nothing.
Yeah.
And before that, for 2 years, it just dropped dramatically.
Wow.
And I just had crazy health issues.
I see. Wow. So are you going to be up here more since school is out?
Yeah, for summer
okay.
I'll be here probably every other day if I can, just
Oh,
to
I
get
see.
them out and
I see.
playing again.
I see. So were you able to get a permanent school assignment?
Not necessarily permanent, but they extended my contract another year.
Yeah.
Still
good.
temporary, but next
Yeah.
year they're up for a permanent contract.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it'll be a second year there, so I assume they would keep me. And then I'm teaching AP,
Okay.
so
I just remember that one principal that you had to deal with.
yeah, that was,
Hopefully, maybe she got fired, hopefully.
she's still there. I
Oh,
checked.
man.
But the staff in my new school, incredible.
Okay, good, good.
Incredible, man. And one of the
Bodhi!
was just completely almost blacked out drunk serving. Yeah.
All right, let me see where his rope toy is. I don't know where it is. Oh, okay, over here. Yeah, so it's a pretty nice day out here. I mean, it's overcast, but it's nice and cool. It's probably about maybe 70 Fahrenheit, but it's perfect weather for dogs. Hi there, hi. Hi. I like your German Shepherd. Yeah, I think they might be headed out, or I would have gotten more information for you guys on that German Shepherd. But very pretty. I think I captured it on video. Bodhi! Bodhi, look. Bodhi, look. Bodhi, look. Bodhi, look. Bodhi, Bodhi. Good boy, Bodhi. Good boy, Bodhi. There you go, Bodhi. Good boy.
Thank you.
That's funny.
Say hi, Tip Bear.
Hey, Manny.
Brother, how you doing, man?
Pretty good. How are you?
Not too bad. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you? Tip Bear. Yep. Yeah, you can get your sniffs in now. There you go. You met each other.
Mm-hmm.
You're okay. I know, it's been a while.
Bodhi! Bodhi, come on, let's go now. Bodhi. No. Come on, we gotta wrap this video before this song messes up the video and gets demonetized. Bodhi, come! No. Come on, let's go up. Hey, no. Bodhi, come! Let's go up. Good boy, sit. Hey, sit. No. Sit. No. Stay. Okay, guys, so we're going to wrap up this video. Bodhi was enjoying himself with that little orange, I don't know, ball with the rope on it. But yeah, we have to wrap. That music is really loud. Yeah. I'm just hoping that this video doesn't get a copyright strike. But we appreciate you all. And before we close out today, I want to send my sincerest condolences to Nina Williams. I'm sorry that you lost your cat, your beloved cat. And yeah, Bodhi and I, we hope that you're doing okay. So sorry about your loss, and also we hope that your grandchildren, that they're doing okay too, because it can be tough to deal with at a young age, and also any age, to lose a beloved pet. So you have our condolences, Nina Williams. Now, we want to thank all of you for watching. If you can, please press that like button. Also, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on, because more videos are coming soon. And then, yeah, we want to thank everyone who watches the ads that helps support Bodhi, along with those of you who press the thanks button. Some of you have been so kind, and you guys have donated to Bodhi. We just really thank you for that. And also, those of you who play Bodhi's playlist, thank you so much for that. Now, before we go, we want to read off a few names of people who watched previous videos and left comments. Cheryl Wright, The Riddler, Diane, Nina Williams, Sabine Farber, Anna G, Croix, Ross Iverson, Stephanie Tripoli, and let's see here, Johnny Childs. We appreciate you all. So we hope everyone is doing well. Please, everyone, be safe. We just appreciate you all, and we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodhi's World. Take care.